This question is to ask, find the value, z value, so that the area to the right of this value is 0.01. So graphically speaking, I'm going to draw this standard normal distribution. Why I draw standard normal distribution? Because z represents standard normal distribution. Now, this little subscript 0.01 means the area to the right of this value you're looking for. So in other words, this is the value that you are looking for, and from the subscript you do know that this area to the right is 0.01. Now if the area to the right is 0.01, that means the area to the left is 0.99. So you have a couple ways to do that. One is you can open the StatsCrunch and use the use StatsCrunch, and then use the normal calculator. And then in the normal calculator you have some boxes, and one of the boxes for the area or probability. So you type in, depending on what sign you use. If you use less than or equal to sign, then you type in 0.99. If you choose greater than or equal to sign, you use 0.01. So it depends. And this should be your answer. So that's method number one. If I pick another method, which is you can actually use the table. So I'm going to open this table. So in this table, table entries, all these numbers, they're representing the area from the left. So that's why I find the so that's why in my graph I also draw the area for the left, which is 0.99. So now let's use this table to find the area, to find the z value, so that the area to the left is 0.99. And let me see how to scroll down the table here. So I just need to scroll down the table until I see a value that is close to 0.99. I am able to see it, which is this guy. So this is the value that is closest to 0.99. So I need to read to the left, which is 2.3, and I also need to read to the above. So from here we can see that this tells you 2.3, this 0.03 means just attaching that to the end. So the answer is 2.33 for this particular problem.